There comes a time in every man's life when he must wear a suit, whether it's for weddings or a funeral or that all-important job interview. Off the peg suits many people, but surely the most desirable of all is the tailor-made suit, cut to fit perfectly. If you can afford the extravagant price tag that comes with tailor-made clothing, you would need to find professional tailors like these two gentlemen. Their knowledge and expertise help guide the buyer with decisions about material and style. Once the materials have been selected, the tailor will take his client's measurements and combine them with the style to provide a template for cutting the cloth. The measurements are then sent down to the cloth department to be cut. The template is laid across the top, but it isn't used to tell the computer where to cut. The processor that guides the knife has all the information in its memory already. The template is for the operator to make sure the knife is cutting the cloth in the right places. When the cutting is done, there are over 120 pieces left to make the suit with. This worker isn't pricing each piece individually, she's labeling them so the right pieces are used to make the client's suit with. One of the many workers in this tailoring department can now begin the job of putting the suit together. The alignment of the pinstripes, for example, must be perfect from the very beginning, and the seamstress has a useful tool to ensure this is done properly. Using this needle carefully so as not to prick herself, she attaches the backing cloth. Then a handy laser can guide her when she attaches the suit material. The pieces are then stapled together and sewn up, safe in the knowledge that everything is aligned properly. Another element that's important when making a suit is the shoulders. Firstly, they keep the arms in place, but they also help to mold the suit to each individual customer's body shape. Padding is sewn in, which helps to emphasize the broad-shouldered appearance of the wearer. Considering that bespoke suits can cost anything from several hundred to several £1,000s, the quality of the final product has to be excellent, so the workers check their efforts regularly. The process of shaping and sewing the jacket has left it a little wrinkled, so now it's given a thorough pressing to remove any unsightly creases. Using these dedicated steamers, the whole jacket is inflated with air and then pressed with hot steam. It emerges looking pristine and ready to be worn, but there are still a few details to be addressed. To make the buttonholes, first you sew them up. This simply provides support so the edges of the buttonhole won't fray with wear and tear. The hole is then cut out of the middle of the stitching. Next come the buttons. A fiddle to do by hand, but this machine makes the process look very simple. And finally, as far as the jacket is concerned, the lapels are ironed in to give them that crisp new suit look. Now a suit needs both a jacket and a pair of trousers. Knees in suits always take a lot of strain, but tailor-made trousers don't show it because the material is expertly reinforced. Each piece of the leg receives a second layer of material. Another area which often needs good support because it takes a lot of wear is the waistline. This is where the body rotates, and large bellies can put strain on overworked belt loops. Elements are sewn in which support the cloth and shape the trousers so the wearer looks good from the front and the back. Button flies are often popular for jeans, but suits invariably have a zip to close them. This is added next and stapled into place with a metal band designed for the job. Now, anyone who's ever worn a suit knows how hard it is to keep those trouser creases crisp, but for these workers, the job is simple. Using an industrial press designed specifically for the job, the worker will place the trousers into it and turn it on. The combination of steam and pressure will flatten the trousers and provide a perfect crease for the wearer. The trousers can now join the jacket ready for the client, giving him that all-important executive image. Every little detail is carefully produced to create the perfect fit that's rarely found in cheaper off-the-peg garments. The tailor-made suit.